Alright fam, my hair looks all crazy right now. I know it does, okay? But I'm about to take a shower, just got home from the gym, you know, and get my hair wet so I could finally put in this new product. I really don't know how it's gonna be. Yo, sorry for my hand shaking, bro. I just got the gym, bro. I haven't been in like a whole month, so my arms are a little shaky. But I'm about to go hop in the shower, put in this new product. So yeah, here's a new product, bro. I got a little sample bottle.
A few moments later.
Alright fam, just got out of the shower, did my little routine. You know what I mean, gotta shave real quick. Here's the new product I'm gonna be trying. Well, it's actually not really new, but this is actually a product that the lady that cuts my hair, the ones that y'all seen in all the videos, this is what she actually uses. And one time she used it in my hair and I was like, yo, I really like this, like it. So I'm gonna try it out. That's why I bought a small one, just to try it out. I'm gonna try it out for a few days while I'm making this video, because for example, the can 2, I tried it out for one day. I thought it was good, but then as I started using it, I noticed that it was drying out my hair. And I was just like, nah, I don't use it anymore. So I'm gonna try this new product out. This may be, all right? But yeah, it's the Tea Tree Hair and Body Moisturizer Leave-In Conditioner, all right? So I guess you put this on your skin, but I'm gonna use this for my hair. But let's see directions. Apply a small amount to clean, damp hair. All right, so I'm just gonna get a nice little bit. Oh shoot, here we go. Nice little. I got a lot of hair, so. And it smells pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. On my finger, bro, it looks like. It looks kind of nasty, but look, we're gonna get some on our fingers and we're gonna. Just gonna put it all in. Alright. Damn, I think I'm gonna run out of this stuff fast. How do I get this out? I don't want to just put my finger in here. Right. Oh shit. So this is the leave-in conditioner. I think I'm gonna go to like towards leave-in conditioners versus like any other extra creams, bro. I know y'all keep on recommending like some shea. I don't know how you say it. Like, to be honest, guys, I really don't even use product. Most of the time, I just walk out of the shower and let my hair dry. Like, I feel like if your hair is done right, that's all you need. Product is just if you want to be extra. And my name is Julian Extra Barboza, but you don't got to be extra all the time. Well, where's your hair? Because like me, I'm just doing the most if I put this in every single day. Or if you got girls to impress, then I guess you could do it every single day. But me, I don't got girls to impress every day. Alright, so I applied it in, and I definitely learned for these reviews, if I'm gonna do them for y'all, I need to do them over a consecutive amount of days. So this video is not gonna be like, it's gonna be recorded over a couple of days. I'm gonna leave it in my hair. I'm gonna go do some stuff real quick, come back when it's dry.
2 hours later.
Alright, this is hours after I put it in. Like I was telling you, I really don't even use product that much. So if I am gonna use product, I'm probably gonna use this. Like, just look at it, let me know what y'all think. Personally, I think this is gonna be my new product. It doesn't leave your hair super oily and greasy. It has the dry feel to it. It makes it curlier. I feel the leave-in conditioner. I think this does really good to my hair. What do y'all think? But like I said, I'm gonna try it out for some more days. Hopefully it works. So yeah, this is day 1 of trying in this leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna try it for a few more days and let y'all know what I think about it. Alright guys, so this is day 2 of me trying, yo, there's so much echo in here. But this is day 2 of me trying out the product again, the Tea Tree, remember? This is my hair like 15 minutes straight out the shower, right? I wanted to tell y'all something. Normally, I don't even use product in my hair. Like 80% of the time, I don't ever use product. I don't feel like you need to use product every day. You don't need to put stuff in your hair every single day. Like, it's just not, you don't need to. If your hair is done right, you won't need to, right? But in the case that you do and you want to look extra spicy, you want to get some girls, you know, maybe it's Friday, you're trying to show out, you got your best outfit on, your best shoes, you ready to talk to your crush, then here we go. All right, again, this is the Tea Tree. I'm just gonna, so what I'm gonna do before is I'm gonna pull out all the curls, all right? So I'm gonna just make my hair, I'm gonna pull out all the curls, literally, I'm pulling them out. Gonna make it into an afro, because the other day I just put it in normally, but now I'm putting it into an afro. Y'all see, now we got an afro. All right. All right, now I'm gonna put some of this stuff in. All right, Put a lot. And now we're gonna rub it in. Rub it into the afro. Alright. Damn, bro, I think I'm gonna need way more of this stuff because I don't know where it goes, but it all disappears. Dang, this afro makes a bunch of little, focus. It makes a bunch of little small curls. So, I don't know how this is gonna look. This is why I wanted to do 2 days to try out 2 different styles. Cause usually it'll do the normal rod, like normal size curls. Anyways, I'm gonna get a haircut in a few days. Probably on Saturday. I'm recording this on Thursday. Hopefully I get it out. But I'm gonna let this dry out, see what happens with this little afro. And I'll get back to y'all. But again, if y'all wanna cop this product, it's gonna be in the description below.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, it has been some hours now. What do y'all think? Honestly, I think this is gonna be my new product. I'm gonna order a big old bottle of it. I just think it really does good for my hair. Like, it leaves like that. I don't like my hair looking wet. It's not wet. Again, like I was saying, you don't have to use product every single day. So when I do want to use product, I think I'm gonna do this. But I don't think I'm gonna do that whole afro thing I did last time, right? Don't pull your hair out and make it into an afro. I do not recommend that. My hair looks okay now, but I just don't think, like, I don't know. If y'all want to do another video trying out another product, comment them below, link me them on Instagram or something, so I could buy it. But this one is what I'm gonna be using. So if somebody asks me what product to use, I'm gonna be using this one. It smells good. Yeah, man, I really don't see myself using anything else. The Jesse's is cool, but I don't know. Yeah, guys, that's the product I use. Comment more videos y'all want to see down below. Drop a like. Go watch some of my other videos if you haven't. Subscribe with notifications, bro. I appreciate y'all watching. I got a board right here full of ideas. I need to fill it up. But let me know what y'all want to see, all right? And I'm out. All right, yo, guys, I'm recording this the day that I'm posting this video, all right? But I just want to say something real quick. Happy birthday to Angel real quick. He just turned 15. August 25th, today's his birthday. Happy birthday to him in the comments. But also too, in this video I was looking at it and my hair looks very, very crazy, right? Like, I need to get my stuff repermed. But I said I wasn't gonna get it repermed until we hit 20K subscribers. So until then, bro, I'm gonna be struggling with my hair. Like, bro, it's starting to come back already. My old hair is starting to come back. So if y'all could do me a favor, man, subscribe with notifications. Just do that. Also, too, comment some video ideas, because it's September. We're getting closer to the end of the year, and I want to see where I can end off on subscribers. I don't know. But, like, if y'all want to see some pranks with Angel or Gemini, let me know. Comment them. DM me them. Also, notification shout out to these people on the screen, bro. Thank y'all so much for having notifications on. It's important. I don't have a schedule. I post whenever I got a video for y'all. So if I got 2 videos in a day, 2 videos, bro. You're not going to know unless you have the notifications on. Also, too, follow my social medias. That helps. But, yeah. And another thing I want y'all to realize through this video is that I don't use product every single day. I don't. So, yeah, I don't use product every single day. This right here is no product. Usually I just take a shower, let my hair dry. If y'all want, like, a routine video where I show y'all, like, what I do, I mean, I guess I could do that, but it's not gonna be nothing too fancy. Like, I really don't do nothing too fancy. But if y'all really want to see what I do, I'll show y'all. All right. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'm out.
Ocean.